Oh, that's a barracuda. Did you see that?
That's a barracuda. You see that?
That's a big barracuda. Straight up jumped out of the water and was eating mullet. That barracuda was probably as long as my leg. It spooked these folks right here. Bert back with another adventure. Today we're in Manasota Beach. And this adventure is sharktooth hunting. And this is the current situation. You got one?
A bunch.
Is it? And what you're doing with the sifter?
I'm scooping and then sifting.
So this is the way we do it on the west coast. You gotta scoop down there and sift.
Yep.
Like so. And then I guess you just sift through and find the teeth.
There's some pretty shells too.
Almost like panning for gold. Squish it around, see if you can find something here.
There it is.
So on the first scoop, let me see it. That's pretty cool. One scoop and I already found one.
Yeah.
Oh, I see another one. So that's how we do it. This first scoop I already found two. So after only probably like maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes of sharktooth hunting, this is what we've gotten so far. Can you pull it in the bag so I can see when you're in there? That's after, what, you think 10 minutes?
Yeah, 15.
10, 15 minutes? This is a dollar store colander, and she's got it.
You missed it. A ton of bait fish just jumped.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a barracuda. Did you see that? That's a big barracuda. Dang, that thing straight up jumped out of the water and was eating mullet. That barracuda was probably as long as my leg. It spooked these folks right here. Dang, that thing just jumped completely out of the water. I'll have to slow that down and do a slow-mo of that. That was pretty cool.
That's a barracuda. You see that?
How about being in the right place at the right time? Yeah.
A lot of this is just big shells.
That might be a good spot. Let's try it.
I feel like everything is a good spot.
See, watch how I'm doing it.
I know, I see.
I'm swirling it like a...
I'm doing the same thing. I'm just trying to like get it, like I lift it up out of the water so I can see.
There's a washing machine here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I finally found one. A little bit rounded down, but that is definitely a shark's tooth.
Oh, look at that one.
Can you put mine in your secret spot?
I found a real nice one just a minute ago. It's in the goods. Oh, there's one.
Where? Is it? Where's it? Oh, I see it. It feels like I'm literally like panning for gold.
down a little bit and then let it go and see what you got.
Oh, there's one.
Sometimes you're on the top.
There's one right there. That was a successful scoop. Let's see what we got here. I think I got a broken one. Yep.
Full one.
So this one, you can see the very tip of it is broken off, but it's still a decent looking one. It's actually really pretty. It's got some blue in it. Oh, there's another one right there. That's a pretty one right there. So 2 in this scoop so far. 3, look at this one. Wow. It's like a half the tooth, but it's like a dagger. See?
Yeah, that's good.
Can you take those 3?
I'm gonna go dump.
Yeah. There's 3 here if you need. There might be more. I haven't searched the rest of this bucket yet.
That was just right at the shore.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, it was right at the shore.
Supposedly people have been finding megalodon-sized teeth out here. That would be a really cool find.
Oh, look at this one.
I do have a pocket I could probably use. Oh, that's a cool one.
I don't know that it's it might be a tooth.
Let me see. What do we think? Is that a tooth or not? Drop a comment below. You said you found a nice one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a real pointy one. It's pretty.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta really get down in there.
Oh yeah, there's a cute one. I said cute twice now today. Oh, I lost it. It fell through.
Oh, for the next one.
Oh, did I pick it up again? Are you kidding me? That's like impossible. There's no way. I dropped that through the colander, and then it fell straight between my legs, and I reached down there and just picked it up. Here. It was meant to be. Oh, there's a nice one.
I'm gonna like,
Look at this one.
in a little while, go deeper. Oh, I didn't bring my earplug. It's the gum line at the top.
Let me see.
No, wait a minute. This is the gum line. Once it dries, you'll be able to see it better.
Here.
It's fossilized.
I almost dumped this out. There's a whole nother one in here. Actually, this is the bigger one out of all the 3 that I found in this. I found 3 in this one scoop, and this is the biggest one.
Let me see.
See, look.
Yeah. Nice one.
Let's see what we have here. Oh yeah. This one is very fossilized, but also really got some cool color in it. Look at this one, Sherry. Look at that one.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
It's got like brown swirl in it.
Yeah. It's cool.
Oh yeah. My efforts were fruitful. That's the thing with the bigger shells, it's hard to set through because they don't want to fall through the crack. Okay. That one. It's a nice one.
Ooh, look at this one. Ooh.
Wow, that's probably one of the better ones we've gotten.
That's out of your scoop.
This one I just got out of this scoop. You got it? Don't
I
lose.
need to go empty out.
Are your Sharktooth holders getting full?
Yeah.
Y'all don't need to get Sharktooth holders, you just need to get a wife. These folks are like walking around these little tubes around their neck that they put their shark teeth in.
Oh, yeah?
There's a lot of folks are. I haven't seen anybody out here yet, but on the there's a group on Facebook called Venice Beach Sharktooth Hunters or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I've been following it, and a lot of folks have those little lanyard around their neck with like a plastic tube with a cap.
Well, we just made do with what we had.
Ooh, look at that. Is that a tooth? Oh yeah, it is. Look at that one.
See? Oh wow, that's pretty. See, it's still brown, so that means it's not as old as some of the others.
You take that one. Don't lose that one. That's a good one. Oh, there's a really pretty one. Wow, look at that one. Oh my God, Sherry, look. This might be one of the best ones we found yet.
Oh wow, that's pretty. Big one.
Look at that.
Big one.
Here. That's really cool. Look how it's almost like a mako tooth.
I don't know. We gotta figure out what kind they are. Pretty cool. It's a little one, but it's like it's not a really old one yet.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Is that one? Little baby one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, Sherry, come here. Look at right on top there.
Where?
Hold on. Right by your hand, hang on.
Right there.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a good one.
That's like the biggest one we've caught today, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why you should be careful that you're gonna
Well, that's why I started to slowly sift through. That's a nice one. Like a little dagger. A lot of them look like arrowheads. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. That is a big one. It's not the biggest, but it's big.
Yeah, oh, that's a nice sized one. See it?
Yeah. It's really blue. Here. So in this scoop I found 3, or not this whole scoop, but the tail end of the scoop. Just those 3 right there. I was just about to dump out what I had and I found 3 more. Look at that brown one. There's a brown one on there, see it?
Oh wait. Oh no, I thought. Oh wait, there is one.
Yeah, I think I passed that one over.
That is one though. Look.
Yeah. Here, look at the brown one on here. See
That's cool, yeah. Careful, you're dumping.
There. I've pretty much gone through that. It's literally like panning for gold. Oh, there's one right on top. Right by my thumb, see it?
Ooh, look at that shell. I think that might be the same one you picked up earlier.
Yeah, it might be. Ooh, it's a pretty one. Check this one out. That's a really cool one.
Yeah, that's the pointy ones. Yeah, there's some in mine. Nice one.
That's it. Okay.
There's one right there too.
Oh, just about lost this one on the edge here.
Oh, you're in the water. Get it out of the water.
Look. See that one?
Ooh, nice size.
There's one. And another. Here. These two right here. They were just in the bottom after I dumped in your basket.
Oh, look at this one. Look at that.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Look at this one. These are all in the scoop you just gave me.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, there's another one in here, I think. That looks like it's a piece of one that's broken off. I'll have to investigate. Get that. It was in the bag, wasn't it?
Bait. I just dumped it all out.
Oh, you did?
It was all icky. You got more?
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that one. What's those?
I'm trying to walk to your side a little bit. I think we've come across that one a few times.
Yeah.
It's literally shaped exactly like a shark's tooth except for it's a shell.
So there's one.
So did you have one? Yeah.
Ooh, another one.
Oh yeah.
Another one. See, this is just right here. I didn't even have to go that deep.
There's probably potential. I've already found a few in here. Whoa!
What was that?
Was that, I think it was your foot.
That was my foot.
I was like, that felt like a freaking crab. Dang, dude.
Oh, and there's one right here in my hands. Brown. Got it?
Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Jerry, that's not a massive one. Look at that thing. It's probably one of the biggest ones I found today.